Hey guys, my name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter, internal leadership coach and founder of Live for Yourself Consulting, where I teach people to live for themselves. And that's pretty all-encompassing, but I work with business professionals that are looking to find greater meaning in life and at work. And this course, Craft a Job You Love from a Job You Have, focuses on just that, empowering the individual, showing you that you have power to find fulfillment right this very second. And too often, people tend to look for fulfillment from work at a new job. So they're working, they're stressed, they close off more because they're stressed, they're not finding meaning at work, so they close off more, productivity decreases, you're really unhappy, and so what do? You start applying for jobs, if you can, or you stay at work and you're just still unhappy. But let's say you apply for jobs, you maybe get a new job, and the same cycle keeps happening. And that's because meaning, fulfillment, is within you. It's not something you earn outside of yourself. It's not external. So this course focuses on how you can take control of your job now and make it into a job that gives you fulfillment, that you can love, that you can be happy about each and every day, because you deserve to be happy right now, not when, not 5 or 10 years down the road when you finally get to a place in your career where you're going to be happy. Well, that's a lie. That's not going to happen. So look, guys, if you're looking to love your job now, right this very second, to take control of your job now and find fulfillment in it, sign up for this course, try out the free preview, send me a question if you have any. But if you are seeking greater meaning at work, this course is for you.